does your garage look like mine? We are going to attempt to clean this out, but we have a goal here. We're going to get this cleaned out so I can get the Z3 finally back in this corner. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danny, and I like to do everything on my own without asking for help. Where do I start? Christmas? Christmas. Oh, ladder's backwards. This isn't fun. I don't like this game. Okay, put the ladder in the right direction. I have switched to buying teddy cats that come with Tupperware, and they're my free storage totes. So, life hack, my Christmas decorations are stored in teddy cat Tupperware. I need to like paint them or something and decorate them. That would be maybe a video for another time. Can I do it? Ha! I did it. We have a broken TV. Where do I put it? Can't see what I have done. Is giant skeletons. Yeah, very excited to use him. He's new. I need to make a pile of things that are like potential yard sale stuff. That's what I need to do. I can have a yard sale this summer. This should be, yep, Christmas lights. Oh, them bitches are heavy. I can't move this by myself, so we're gonna skip it. It's a queen. I'm a hoarder. Like, we have 2 lawnmowers here. They're both for spare parts at this point. I'm just gonna keep tossing around. Oh, my back. My back. Oh. This could be like a yard sale item, is what I'm saying. Vacuum parts. To what vacuum? I don't know. What do I do with this? Alright. Let's do this. By this, I mean probably put skeleton in the corner. Good thing he's pretty light. Okay. Alright, now I have to climb. Oh, well, I saw the lid come open for that flap. But I don't need no man. I don't even know what's in that bag. Like, I've got to get this stuff out. I'll go through those. Those are his. Hiya! If anyone wants it, they can have it. What if I dug out my garage for Marilyn Monroe? Yeah, we got little snow boots. We got little snow boots in here, Sage. Huge. I forgot it. Set up my fish tank. I want to put this beside the road. Put a sign on it that says free. Should we do that, Sage? Let's ask your dad first. Yeah, let's ask your dad first. Oh. Aw, I'm not going to be able to reach light bulbs. I'm terrified of heights. Vacuum. We're gonna clean in here. Get rid of all the bugs. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Stay alive. Stay alive.
Please hold. $5,000. Carter pulled it out. We were friends.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we?